Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to determine how big of a piece of drywall you're going to need. I'm also going to show you how to cut the piece of drywall and a couple tricks for that. Once the drywall's cut, I've got a trick for getting the perfect cut every time and fit of the new piece of drywall. I'll also show you how to add a fern strip, cut the fern strip, and attach the fern strip above the ceiling. I'll also show you how to attach the drywall and my favorite drywall tape for doing repairs. So stay tuned. And if you missed part 1 of this video series, I showed you how to assess the water damaged drywall ceiling and also the water blister on the wall. And you also got to see how a water damage repair can snowball real quick. I'll leave a link down in the description to the part 1 of the video series. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Paul and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, and painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification to get alerted whenever I post a new video. Let's get into this video. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go out to the van and grab, I've got a little scrap piece of 1/2 inch drywall and a furring strip and my drywall square. And I'm gonna trace out a piece and cut out everything that's rotten. All right, so I'm determining where I want this new piece of drywall to go. So I'm going to come out about this far. And I've got another stud over here. Actually, it's a truss. So I'm going to mark here so I know I have something to attach to. Then this is just a furring strip from a repair. So I'm just going to move the repair over some. It seems pretty solid just out from that. So I'm going to make a mark here. So I want to go 17 1/4. So 17 1/4 by 25. You want to cut a furring strip 4 inches longer than the 25 inches so you overlap the furring strip on both sides of the existing drywall. What I'm going to do first is, this is 2 factory edges, and if I put that on the repair, it's going to turn into a lot more mud work. So I'm going to cut the factory edge off, which is the tapered edge. Probably want to go about 4 inches from the top. And score the back side. Now we can pull our measurements. So we want to go 25. Actually, it's 25 1/8. I'm going to go with that. So I just need to go 17 1/4. Doesn't have to be exact because we're going to make a cutout on the ceiling to make it exact. What I like to do is I like to make a mark on one end, and then I'm going to make a mark connecting this to the ceiling. That way I know which way the board goes. Just going to trace it out. Gonna be a perfect fit. So I've already cut out the damaged drywall using a keyhole saw and a razor knife. Next, you want to remove any of the drywall screws that are left over in the framing members. Then you always want to reattach the existing drywall around the perimeter whenever possible. All right, so what I'm going to do is cut this furring strip. We got a measurement of the length 25 inches. I'm going to add 2 inches for each side, so I'm going to cut it about 30 inches. It doesn't have to be exact. Give it a little extra. I'm going to go ahead outside and cut this to keep the dust down. I'm going to use my cordless circular saw and cut it 30 inches. I got a mark right here. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. It's going up. No one will ever see it again. I'm going to catch that. Okay, we're going to put the fern strip in. And overlap it on both sides. To attach the drywall, I'm using 1 1/4 inch coarse thread drywall screws that are made to attach drywall to wood. Also, the screw gun I'm using is a 12-volt DeWalt impact driver. It's a small, compact drill that's awesome. Once you have the drywall in place, you can tell where the wood is where you need to attach the drywall just by the screws on the existing drywall. I'll leave links down in the description to all kinds of different drywall and texturing videos. I'm going to go mix up some mud, 20-minute mud, and use some 5-0 drywall tape. It's like a mat. This is the best tape for repairs. And coming up in part 3 of this video series, I'm going to show you how to use the 5-0 drywall tape and how to do the mud work on this ceiling repair. I'm going to go from the middle and out, and then just tear it on your knife. I'll also show you a trick to dry the 20-minute mud a little quicker so you can coat it faster. Check out the Peck DrywallTube jingle sang and played by Trinity. I'll leave a link in the description to her YouTube channel.
Contractors, DIYers, 'cause everyone's got things to do. Subscribe and you can learn with Paul Peck's Drywall Tube. Subscribe to Paul Peck for more videos.
And if you're looking to step up your drywall texturing or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. And if you have a friend that's a DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Check out one of these videos down below.